spiritual fights on TikTok. Let's talk about this. Demons against angels, good against bad. There's always a fight, right? And these people are missing the most important piece of the puzzle. What you guys are fighting? We all are inside the Creator, and we all are the Creator. Sorry, let me rephrase. We all are God, including the good, the bad, the whatever you see, you don't see, the galaxy, the stars, the whatever. What are you guys fighting? I get it. You may not like your brother and sister, you don't have to like them. But please acknowledge this, that this polarity exists just for sake of balance in the universe. That is not actually real. Meaning, the purpose is not to hate each other. The purpose is to keep things spinning. Because what doesn't move dies or rottens. There's only one constant in the universe. There is change. And this is why we experience polarity. Now, you want to hate your brother and sister because they worship the devil, or because they worship angel, or because they're Catholic, or because they're Muslim. You forgot that you guys are actually one, and there's no enemy, and there's no good, and there's no evil. There's just polarity of things and the way you want to experience this life. I hope that gives you a hope and perspective of how the Creator actually sees the universe. Because if you keep this mind of division, doesn't matter how much you masters the heart, but you will never get the real power, which is the power coming from unity. And the understanding that behind unity there is the highest vibration, love.